So this is question 7. The question says, describe each of the following types of information systems used in organizations. So the first one is what we call transaction process system, sometimes abbreviated as TPS. So the purpose of a transaction process system is designed to record, process, and manage the daily operations or transactions of an organization. So these daily operations could include things like, for example, sales that are being done daily. We have daily purchases, we have payroll, we have things like inventory management and other routine activities. So the main key features of a transaction processing system is that they are characterized by their real world or near real time processing. They are high volume of repetitive transactions. They are very accurate, they are reliable, and they are very efficient. Remember, they are dealing with transactions that are occurring daily, or they are day-to-day transactions. Then we have the second part that is called Management Reporting System, or MRS, Management Reporting System. So the purpose of Management Reporting System, also sometimes known as Management Information System, is to provide managers and executives with structured report and summarization of the organization performance and operations. So this system will help in monitoring and controlling the day-to-day activities. So they have key features that they typically provide regular predefined reports with key performance indicators, and they have critical metrics. So they support structured and semi-structured decision-making processes. So one thing to note is that these ones, they just provide, they're used majorly by the managers and the executives, and they provide what we call structured reports and the summaries generally of these organizations' performance and operations. Then we have decision support system. So now information is taken from the MIS. We talked about the management information system prior to this. So now the information that is taken out of this MRS is used by these decision support systems. And this decision support system basically help in monitoring and controlling the day-to-day activities. So we say management reporting system, also known as management information system, provide managers and executives with structured reports and summaries of organization performance and operations. So now they provide summaries that was taken from the other system, and they majorly focus on presenting data in formats that is easily understood. They typically provide regular predefined reports with key performance indicators and critical matrices. So this is the function of a decision support system. Then the B part says, Company XYZ Limited intends to implement a new information system. Explain 3 organizational factors that could be considered to ensure the success of the system. So before bringing the new information system on board, they must also first of all consider organizational culture and change management. You remember, the existing organization culture can either support or maybe hinder the implementation of the new information system. So they think that things like maybe the attitude of the employees, the resistance to change, these are factors that are very essential that should be considered. So first of all, the company or the organization must consider this. The second one is what we call organizational structure and roles. So the existing organizational structure may need to be adjusted to accommodate the new system. For example, because we could have the new system coming with roles that are changing, and maybe the responsibilities that are changing from one department maybe to another, or one personnel to another. So it is essential to align the organizational structure with the requirement of the new system for effective utilization. Then we have what we call resource allocation and budget. So the allocation of resources, including time, including things like budget, personnel, are very crucial for the successful implementation of this new system, because this new system will come with a cost. Then question F says, explain 3 types of applications of Internet of Things, IoT, in the government sector. So, how is Internet of Things applied in the government sector? We know of smart cities and infrastructure management. So, it is in smart cities used to create smart cities by deploying sensors and interconnected devices to monitor and manage just various aspects of urban life, maybe transportation, energy, waste management, and public safety. These are automated, and this is one place where IoT is applied. So we also have what we call healthcare and public health. So IoT is majorly employed in this healthcare sector to improve patients' care, to monitor public health, and also to streamline healthcare services. We can also talk about smart government services. For example, the government sometimes can use these smart or IoTs to deliver services and to enhance the delivery of public services at reduced cost and improve citizen engagement. For example, we talk about the portals, things that are automatically done. Then here we talk about outline 2 features of a word processing program. So the first feature of a word processing program will be text formatting option. So word processing program provide a wide variety of a wide range of text formatting features. These features generally help us to customize the appearance of our document. We could talk about text formatting, things like bold, italics, things like that. Then we have also spell check and grammar check. This is just another feature that is inbuilt just to help us in checking grammatical mistakes. It also helps us to maintain the accuracy and neatness of our document.